Alright, quick update on Dogelon Mars. So the last video we made for this, we obviously outlined that we have broken below this head and shoulders pattern. We did have a price target all the way down here at 627, and so far, I mean, we already came down 16.5% out of the 22% move. So I would be potentially looking for a retest of this 618 or this neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. Either way, we do have some resistance coming in, namely here we have the 618, and where we're running into right now we have obviously this red trend line, which correlates to the neckline of this head and shoulders. So no decision has been made on what is going on so far. We can see Shib, Doge are having small moves up. Dogecoin has just kind of somewhat saved itself from a breakdown, at least in the short term. I just made a video on that, so if Dogecoin and Shib is able to break out, I imagine all of these dog coins will follow, because they do pretty much move in tandem. I mean, if you look at their charts, they all have the same chart. In my opinion, I'm more of a fan of Dogelon Mars than any other of these dog coins, because Dogelon has held up pretty well. We're still above the 786, the market cap is very low, and a return to the all-time high would be something like almost a 3x. I don't think, I think there is a higher return for Dogecoin. Yeah, there's definitely a higher return for Dogecoin to return to the all-time high. But what I think would be happening if Dogecoin goes to the all-time high, I imagine Dogelon Mars would have been to the all-time high and started making new all-time highs, because like I said, the market cap is so low. When these dog coins do experience euphoria, they all experience it together. They go on these massive rallies, they go absolutely crazy for a couple of weeks, and then they cool down. So I would be looking for another big rally for these dog coins at some point. Like I said, while we are below this red box, while we are below this trend line, I am still bearish in the short term. So for me to kind of flip my stance, I would need to see a break above this red trend line here, this red box specifically. Once we get above 774, I can be somewhat bullish in the micro term, but I would really like to see market structure starting to break once we do come to the 200-day in this red trend line. So that's pretty much all I see for Dogelon. If you do hold this, best of luck. Personally, like I said, I would be looking for a breakout of somewhere around here before I do enter along. So that's all I see for Dogelon. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.